약간 묘한 월요일.
I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money. The pressure be calling. Left on my blessings. I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection. I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them.
Welcome back to the channel. Still in Busan, and today got a couple of places planned to visit. First off is the Busan Museum of Contemporary Art. I'm then going to go to Gamcheon village. Looks like a very cool place, very colourful, buildings on a hillside, very favela-esque. Quite Mediterranean looking, so that will be the second trip. So I'm just heading to the subway now. I think it's line 2. Hopefully my subway card's going to work from Seoul. We'll soon find out. Go see you soon.
환승입니다.
Well, completely missed my bus stop there. Probably the worst place to miss a bus stop, because it took me about another mile. Well, I'm now on the other side of the motorway, so I'm not sure I'm going to get across. But nice views, nice day. Not too cold today. It's around 0, I think, now. So it's not looking too good, but it's shut. You know, come all this way, it's probably shut. This could be a bit of a bugger. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Vertical garden. I have a garden on the side of the building. Cool.
waiting sorrow won't. Sorrow they put me on a pill.
So after several bus rides, we've made it to the top of this hill, and this is the Gamcheon Culture Village. Oh, hi. You to that? I don't have no. Okay, thank you.
Korea, other place.
Hyundai.
Oh, okay.
Hyundai. How do you spell it? Like that? Okay, thank you. Wow, what a view. Definitely doesn't have the feel of still being in Korea. Yeah, very favela-esque. Sort of all these beautiful buildings, all different colours. Apparently they're all built so that none of the buildings obscure each other. It's like building etiquette. Crops. Yeah, certainly travelled today. Subways, buses, you name it, I've been on it today. So, back on the main drag. See if we can find some food. Tiny. Good view, Mr. Fox. Oh, that chip butty was amazing. Sometimes you just need chips.
I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems.